In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use Alexa for managing your online calendar in your phone. First is we have to sync our account or calendar account into Alexa. So open your Alexa application and then tap on this settings. And then after tapping it, find the settings word and then click it. After clicking it, you have to head to the calendar and email. And after heading here, you will find all the available accounts that you can connect your Alexa to, which is Google Calendar, Microsoft Calendar, Apple Calendar, and Microsoft Exchange Calendar. And for this video, you just need to select any here. For example, is you want to connect your Google Calendar. After doing that, you have to toggle on this one, which are the email and calendar, and then click the connect account. Now, after connecting your account here, you can now command Alexa to as if Alexa, what's on my calendar? Alexa, add an event to my calendar, or Alexa, delete an event from my calendar. And this way, you are managing your calendar easily with the use of Alexa. And that's it. That's how you can use Alexa for managing your calendar. And thank you for listening.